In this video guide, I will show you step by step how to book a flight ticket in Gulf Air. So friends, follow me in this video. All you have to do, go to the book section as you can see here. From here, choose your location you want to go. For example, you have Bahrain, you have a lot of location here. Choose the date of depart and arrival. From here, select your travel state, all the section from here. After that, friends, you will click on the search, flight search. You will see this page. As you can see, this is my vol depart. If I make this is my depart here. And then all you have to do is select your this option. Just wait. From here, click on scale compress this option. Choose language here, English. Choose the depart flight, click include stop fare. This is all details. You can add money from here. Click, for example, here. Click on add all details here. After that, click select your this one for baggage. Choose your this plan, and then click on continue. This is for business, your business plan. You can discover gold. This all details from here. You have passenger and go to payment section. After select your adult or person here, choose your payments. You will redirect your payments. This is amount you want to pay, all details for your amount. As you can see here, you can apply a discounts if you have. I hope this guide helpful for you. See you